You want to implement augmented reality in your e-commerce, but with so many platforms out there, you don't know which one to pick. Today, in this video, I want to address you to the right platform for your e-commerce. And watch this video to the end to get a big bonus. Hi, if you're new to this channel, I'm Antonio Furioso and I help e-commerce install 3D experiences like augmented reality and 3D product configurators. So, why augmented reality? Studies show that augmented reality can increase revenue by 40% and also customers experience. But let's break down the key factor that you need to consider when choosing an augmented reality platform. First of all, you should consider to implement augmented reality application or web augmented reality. I made a video about this and you can watch this video on this YouTube channel. But summarizing this, differently from augmented reality application, you can access web augmented reality directly through a web browser. So this makes your e-commerce experience better and reduce the friction that your visitors have, and so they don't have to download any application. Second, make sure that the platform supports high quality 3D models and integrates with your e-commerce, so like Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, and so on. But now let's come to the juice of this video. So how you can choose the right platform for your e-commerce. I won't name any platform for now, but when you're choosing an augmented reality platform, the important is to ask yourself different questions to choose the best software. First question is, what is your budget? In this way, you can already delete some or a lot of options depending on your budget. Second, do you want to implement augmented reality to showcase your product or for marketing activities? Based on this answer, you have two options. Go directly to the platform that are dedicated for augmented reality marketing experiences, and there are just few out there. Or you can go to platforms that help you in a few clicks install augmented reality on your e-commerce and help you to showcase your product. And this also depending on the number of products that you want to implement as experience in your e-commerce, because this will set like another filter from the list of the tools that there are out there. Then third question is how easy it is to integrate your e-commerce platform with this other software, because many augmented reality software out there have plugins. Once connected to your e-commerce, you can easily connect the augmented reality experience that you created in the augmented reality software and your product. So this will take just few clicks. Then for a fourth question, the platform is easy to use. So do you have the in-house expertise? So you just can do it by yourself, which is like great. Or you need to hire a freelance to help you set up everything. As the fifth question instead, and the last of this video that help you choose the right platform for your e-commerce, is the customer support is reactive, because customer support here make a big difference. Like we are on the web, like augmented reality web AR is based on the web. So any device has its own software, update, and so on. So there can be many problems with augmented reality web-based. For this reason, it's very good if this augmented reality platform has a good customer support that help you to solve your problem in the case you will have problems. So this question will guide you and will narrow all the augmented reality software that can integrate with your e-commerce and your needs. But for the final part of this video, as I promised, I have a bonus. I want to give you a list that I made in this month with all the augmented reality software, the best augmented reality software that are out there, and that I use to create augmented reality experience. You can download the list in the link in the description that you find below this video. And if you like this video, subscribe to the channel and we will see at the next video.